Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna flakes sandwich. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna flakes, either in oil or water, 2 slices of your preferred bread, and about 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. Don't forget 1/4 cup each of finely chopped celery and red onion for that perfect crunch. Finally, have your salt and black pepper ready to season your sandwich just the way you like it. Now, let's get to the heart of our sandwich, the tuna filling. Begin by carefully draining all the liquid from your can of tuna flakes. Once drained, transfer the tuna into a clean, medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, add your 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, along with the 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. These fresh additions will give your sandwich a wonderful texture and flavor. With all your ingredients in the bowl, it's time to mix everything together. Use a fork to gently combine the tuna, mayonnaise, celery, and red onion until they are thoroughly incorporated. Make sure to break up any larger tuna flakes to ensure an even consistency throughout the mixture. Now, season your filling with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasonings to achieve your perfect flavor profile. The final step is assembling your delicious tuna flakes sandwich. Take 1 slice of your chosen bread and generously spread the prepared tuna mixture evenly across its surface, reaching almost to the edges. Then, carefully place the second slice of bread on top, completing your sandwich. If you like, you can lightly toast your bread before spreading the filling for an added crunch. Serve your freshly made tuna sandwich immediately and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.